Here is a super simple side hustle that requires zero skill. It costs nothing to start and can be done by anyone at any age. Plus, you can get free stuff. All you need is a phone with camera and your voice. Let me show you. Okay, first head over to Fiverr and sign up to become a seller. Then search the word unboxing. You're gonna see a bunch of people who are already getting paid anywhere from $5 to $300 making unboxing videos of existing businesses' products. The great thing about this side hustle is you don't even have to show your face. Follow me if you want more side hustle ideas.